stop scrolling. You are looking at a $2.5 million landship that has a private helipad. Yes, a helicopter on the roof of a truck. But that's not even the craziest part. What's hidden inside this mansion on wheels is something you won't believe. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see the feature that makes this the most dangerous vehicle on Earth. This is the Furrion Elysium. It's not an RV, it's a building. It dwarfs everything on the road. Look at those tires. They are taller than a full-grown man. But why would anyone need a vehicle this big? It's not just for travel, it's for total isolation. And wait until you see how it gets power in the middle of nowhere. Most people think the helipad is a gimmick. It's not. It's a literal escape pod. If things go south, you don't drive out, you fly out. But how does the truck stay stable when a chopper lands on its roof? That's the secret engineering that costs a fortune. Keep watching, the kitchen is coming up, and it's better than yours. Inside, it's all smart tech. The walls aren't just walls, they are media screens. You can change the entire mood of the room with one voice command. And check out these panoramic windows. They aren't glass, they are ballistic-grade shields. You're in a luxury penthouse, but you're technically in a fortress. Now look at this. A full-size galley kitchen. Most RVs have plastic setups. This has imported marble and professional induction. You could host a 5-course dinner here while parked on top of a mountain. But the real magic isn't in the stove. It's in the water system hidden beneath the floor. This is the master bedroom. It's not just for sleeping, it's a sensory deprivation chamber. It's soundproof to perfection. If you want total silence in the middle of a storm, this is where you go. But don't get too comfortable, because the bathroom feature is the weirdest part of the entire truck. Yes, it has a rainfall shower and heated floors. But here is the catch. It has a water recycling system that lets you stay off-grid for weeks. Most people don't know this, but this system is what makes the Elysium truly unlimited. We're heading to the roof. The hot tub. Imagine sitting here, with a glass of wine, thousands of miles away from civilization, while the stars are literally right above your head. It's surreal. But stay with me, because part 9 is where the monstrous mechanical power comes in. This is how this landship stays alive. The solar arrays, the battery bank, the hydraulics. It's an engineering nightmare that works like a dream. If you were stuck in a disaster, this is the only vehicle you'd want to be in. So, is the Furrion Elysium worth $2.5 million? Or is it just an expensive toy? It's a statement of absolute freedom. If you have the money, would you buy this? Or would you stick to a normal house? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to see the next monster on our list, hit that subscribe button right now.